Ever stay up late, doom scrolling at 2 a.m., wondering why your eyeballs feel like you've been staring at the sun underwater? Same, but guess what saved me from turning into a nocturnal zombie? These bad boys. Ocushield clear and amber anti-blue light glasses. Let me tell you why they are my MVP. Daytime, I rock the clear glasses. Subtle vibes, less screen glare, and more clarity. At night, it's amber time. It's basically a stylish beacon for my melatonin. Eye strain and headaches, poof. Developed by an optometrist and FDA approved, they block up to 99% UV blue light. That's 300 to 400 and around 54 high energy blue light. Plot twist, no more midday dry eye panic. Or why does my head feel like a pressure cooker? Better sleep without sheep counting. Blocking evening blue light supports melatonin and the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Translation, I trade 4 hours of sleep depth for one pair of amber glasses. Lightweight frames that don't tip the scales. Premium, comfy, and not weighed down like carrying a small bowling ball on your nose. More than looks, built by pros, proven reviews. Optometrist Patel researched the effects of blue light's effects on the eyes, melatonin, even skin inflammation. 30 hours of screen time can jack up skin inflammation by 30%. So if you want to stop squinting at your pixel sun, maybe sleep better, and maybe, just maybe, save your face from future screen wrinkles, check out the Ocushield Clear for daytime and amber for night. Get your eye comfort and night sanity back.